The SDI 2.0 is about you and how you relate to others. Your results will provide 4 views of yourself. First, your motives, what you value, what drives you, and your sense of purpose. Second, how your motives change in conflict. Third, the strengths you use productively at work. And fourth, the overdone strengths that might limit your effectiveness. The strengths you use are influenced by your environment, just like the movement of a buoy is influenced by the tide, currents, and waves. But there is a lot more to the story. A buoy is connected to an anchor, and like an anchor, your motives are consistent and stable. Your motives show who you are at your core. They are the reasons why you do what you do. Each of us are driven by 3 core motives: a drive to help people, a drive for performance, and a drive to create and maintain process. These underlying motives drive our use of strengths. The SDI uses colors for the 3 motives: blue for people, red for performance, and green for process. When you completed the whole life section of the SDI, you responded to 10 sets of statements for when things are going well, and 10 more when you are faced with conflict. Within each set, you distributed 10 points among 3 different endings. Your responses to the first 10 sets reveal the frequency of your people, performance, and process motives. The SDI turns your scores into a dot on a triangle. The location of your dot shows how you prioritize, value, and blend all 3 motives. It's your motivational value system, or MVS. The SDI triangle is divided into 7 MVS regions. Some regions include people who have one color motive more frequently than the others. These are called the blue, red, and green motivational value systems. Other regions have people with 2 color motives about equal: red-blue, red-green, and blue-green. The center area is the hub. All 3 color motives are relatively equal in here. Every dot on the SDI triangle is a picture of one person's positive, productive motives. When you apply the insights from the SDI, you will know yourself more fully, understand others more accurately, manage yourself more effectively, and get better results through relationships.